So today our subject is aptitude and topic is percentage. So the term percentage means for every 100 or 100 path. The percentage, it is a fraction whose denominator is 100 and numerator is called rate of percentage or 100 part. So for example 35 by 100, that means 35th out of 100 parts. Some important formulas we have to convert a fraction into percentage. Just multiply the fraction by 100 and put the sign percentage. For example 5 by 35, that is equal 5 by 35 into 100 percentage, that means 14 2 by 7 percentage. And one more formula, it is very important to us, that is to convert a percentage into the fraction, just remove the percentage sign and divide the quantity by 100, and we will see some examples also. And one more formula we have, that is the percentage of one quantity to another is equal to first quantity by second quantity into 100. And note, percentage of two quantities must be use same units. Example here, percentage of 30 kgs into 120 kgs, that means first quantity is 30 kgs and second quantity is 120 kgs into 100, that means 25 percentage. And we'll see one more example, 100 papers in one ream. What is the percentage of 100 papers in one ream papers? So what is the percentage of 100 papers in one ream papers? Here first quantity is which is the first quantity? 100 papers is the first quantity, and the second quantity is one ream papers. One ream means is nothing but 500 papers. It is equal to 500 papers, means we are called bundle papers. So already we have formula, first quantity by second quantity into 100. Here what is the first quantity? 100 is the first quantity, and second quantity, that means one ream of papers, that is 500 into 100. 2 zeros will cancel, and 5 1 ja 5 20 ja, that means 20 percentage. 100 papers in 500 papers is 20 percentage. Right, convert the values into fractions. Already we know how to convert fractions into percentage. Just multiply the 100. So here some percentages is there, we want to convert these percentages into fractions. So what can we do? Just divide by 100. First problem, 40 percentage, this is the percentage, we want to change this one to fraction. So 40 by 100. So here 0 will cancel, and 2 2 ja 2 5 ja, this is a fraction is equal to 5 by 4. And the second one, 75 percentage is there, so is this also percentage. Now we want to convert the fraction. Already we know 75 percentage, just divide by 100. 25 3 ja and 25 4 ja. So 75 percentage is equal to which fraction? 3 by 4. And one more fraction is there here, that is 12.5 percentage. So this is the percentage. Now we want to convert into the fraction. So how? Just divide by 100. So 12 by 1 by 2, this is a which fraction? Mixed fraction. So 12 2 ja 24 and plus 1, 25 by 2 into 100. Simply 25 1 ja 25 4 ja, so it is equal to 1 by 8. So 12.5 percentage is equal to 1 by 8 fraction. And one more example here. So now one more, convert the following into the percentage. These are all called fractions. What can we do? Now we want to convert these fractions into percentage. How it possible? Just multiply the 100. Five 1 ja 5 20 ja 20 into 3, that means 60 percentage. So the value of the 3 by 5 fraction, it is equal to 60 percentage. And one more problem is there here. that is 13 by 20. It is also one type of fraction, and we want to convert this one into percentage by multiplying the 100. Again 21 ja 25 ja, and 13 into 5. What is the value of 13 into 5? That is equal to 65 percentage. That means 13 by 20, it is a fraction, it is equal to 60 by percentage. And third one, this is 7 by 25, it is also one type of fraction. And now we want to convert this fraction into percentage. How? Just multiply by 100. Again 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja, and 7 4 ja, it is equal to 28 percentage. Find the 30 percentage of value in 150. So find the 30 percentage of value in 150. Here 150 is the 100 percentage. 150 is equal to 100 percent. We want 30 percentage of value in 150. We want 30 percentage of value in 150. So already we know 150 is equal to 100 percentage. We want 30 percentage. Simply here 150 by 100 into 30 is equal 0 0 will cancel, and again this 0 will cancel, remaining 15 into 3 45. So 45 is the 30 percentage of value in 150. So already we will discuss another method also, that is n. This is a shortcut method to you. (150) is equal to 100 percentage. We want to remove 1 0 here. 150 is equal to 100 percentage. Just remove 1 0 from here. Remove 1 0 from here. So what is the remaining numerals? 15 equal to 10 percentage. Is it clear? So first of all 150 is equal to 100 percentage. I removed both side 110, and remaining numerals is 15 is equal to 10. That means 15 is equal to 10 percentage. Now we want 30 percentage of value. So just multiply by 3, and this right side also multiply by 3. 10 percentage into 3, that means 30 percentage, and 15 into 3, that means 45. This is the shortcut method for finding percentage of value, and we will follow this method to next question also. 175 equal to 100 percentage. Just remove both side 110s. So there is no chance to removing zeros. So better to find. We want 20 percentage value in 175. Here 0 cancellation is very important. Why? Because time safety is very important in our any examination. So 0 0 will cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 5 3 ja 15, and remainder is 2, and living number is 5. 25 means 5 5 ja 25. So what is the value of 20 percentage in 175? That means 175 35. What is the value of 20 percentage in 175? 35. A class contains 240 students in which 70 percentage are passed. Find the number of passed students. Once again, please listen the question. A class contains 240 students in which 70 percentage are passed. Find the number of passed students. So a class contains overally 240 students. In that 240 students, who there? Boys and girls there. So in that students 70 percentage are passed. So this 240 students is equal to how much percentage? 100 percentage. So how many percentage of students is passed here? 70 percentage. So 240 students is there. That means total students 240 means 100 percentage. So 70 percentage students are passed here, means remaining how much percentage of students is failed? 30 percent of students is failed. 30% of students failed. But here question what is asking number of passed student. Okay, already we know 70% of students is passed. Just find the 70% of value in 100% or in 240. So 240 is equal to 100%. Why? Because total number of students is always 100%. So I can easily manually magic trick. This is just remove 1 0 here, again 0 removed. So that means 10% is equal to 24. But we want what is the value? 70%. So just multiple the 7. 10% into 7, that means 70%. 24 into 7, so 7 4s are 28 and 7 2s are 14 and 2 is there 168. So how many students is passed here? 70%. The 70% value is 168. So passed students is 168. So next question. So in this question, a class contain 150 students. They are 80% boys and find the number of girls. So in this question, see, the class contain 150 students. In this 150 students, 80% are boys. Remaining 20% is girls only. So a class contain 150 students means students is nothing but total boys and girls is 150 members. So 150 it is equal to 100%. Already we know boys percentage is given 80%. So in that 100% students, boys is 80%, remaining 20% belongs to which girls only. So now we want to find number of girls in that total students, 150 students. So this is some magical methods to find number of girls or number of students in percentage. So just 150 students is equal to 100%. Remove 1 0 here and right side also remove 1 0. That means 10% is equal to 15 members. We want to find 20%. That means the number of girls. So multiply by 2. 10 into 2, that means 20%. And 15 into 2, that means 30. This is the number of girls. So number of girls is 20%. The value of 20% in 150 is 30. So this is the fifth question. An employee salary is 8,000 and his expenditure is 85%. Find his savings. So here an employee salary is 8,000. An employee salary is 8,000. This is equal to which? How much percentage? This is equal to 100%. So total salary is equal to always 100%. In that total salary 8,000, is expenditure is how much percentage? 85% of expenditure. So in this 100%, 85% expenditure means how much percentage that employee saves? 15% only. 15%. Now we want to find the that 15 percentage value. That means saving money. So this is the magical tricks method only. So better to remove 10 here and remove right side also 10. So what is the value of 10 percentage? 10 percentage value is 800. So we want to do 15 percentage. Already we know 10 percentage of value. So what is the half of the in 10 percentage? Half of the in 10 percentage half means 5 percentage, and in 800 half means 400. So now just add the, so 800 plus 400 add 1200, and 10 percentage plus 15 percentage, that is equal to 15 percentage. So now what is the value of 15 percentage? 1200. It is the employee saving money. Otherwise better to follow concept method also. Two zeros and two zeros will cancel. 8 into 15, that is equal to 120. One more zero here, please keep it here. So 1200 rupees employee saves the money. So this is the sixth question. A class contains 120 students in which 60% are boys. Find the number of boys, how many more than that of girls. So a class contains, once again please see the question. A class contains 120 students. In that 120 students, who there? Boys there and girls there. In that 60% are boys there. So find the number of boys is more than the girls. So total class contains 120 students. 120 students who boys and girls, that is equal to 120 students. So total boys and girls is 120 members. This is equal to 100%. So already one information is given. How much percent of boys is there? 60%. In that 100%, 60% is boys there. Remaining percent, 40% who there? Girls only. So by comparing percentage, how much percentage more boys is there? Comparing girls. So boys are 60% and girls are 40%. How much percentage more the boys compared with girls? So 60% boys, and here to come 40% girls is there. How much percentage is more there? 20% more boys there. %, more boys there than girls. So just find the 20% value in that 100%. Zero zero will cancel. Again 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja 10, and 2 0 is there 24. So 24 boys are more there than that of girls. This is the easy method to find in one step only. Otherwise we have one more method. In that method we want to find total number of boys and total number of girls, and after we will compare boys and girls. So in this one we want to do 3 steps, but in this one we want to do only one step, that is 20%. An examination of 600 marks, Venkat scored 432 marks. Find his percentage of marks. So this is we are regularly seeing in our class also, and here okay, I will give one magical trick to you, so better to follow that one only. So percentage of marks, we wanted to find percentage of marks. So just how many marks Venkat got? Venkat marks and total marks. Into 100. So how many marks Venkat got? 432 marks got. Total marks is 600 into 100. Already we know 1 to 2 percentage, just multiple by 100. 2 zeros will cancel. Again see here calculation, 6 1 ja 6 7 ja 42, and here 1 and 1 is there, and remaining number numeral is 2. So 12, in which table will go? 6 2 ja 72%. An examination of 600 marks, Venkat got 432 marks. That 432 marks is how much percentage in 600 marks? 72%. This is the our answer. Next question, and this is also very important to every competitive. So a person weight is increased from 40 to 45 kgs. So how much percentage of weight is increased? So better to follow this question also. Some magical tricks I will give to you. What is that magical tricks? So here this is also one of the magical trick. Percentage of increase or decrease. Percentage of increase or decrease is equal to how much increased or decreased. How much increased or decreased by initial quantity. Into 100. So percentage of increase or percentage of decrease is asked, means so is equal to how much is increased or decreased by initial value into 100. So here what is asking in the question? What is the percentage of weight is increased? We want weight is how much percentage of weight is increased from 40 to 45 kgs. It is a increased value only. How much increased? That person is increased 5 kgs. What is the initial value here? Initial value from 40 to 45 kgs means initial value is 40 into 100. See here once calculation important. 5 1 ja 5 8 ja. So 100 by 8 is there. So 100 by 8. First of all take 10. So 8 1 ja 8 and 2 is there. 2 0. 8 2 ja 16. What is the remainder? 4 by 8. That is equal to 12 1 by 2 percentage. So how much percentage is weight is increased? 12 1 by 2 percentage is weight is increased. This is our answer. Come to the next question. Here a scooter cost is decreased from 30,000 to 24,000. So how much percentage the cost of the scooter is decreased? This is the question. Again the scooter cost is decreased from 30,000 to 24,000. So what is the percentage of cost is decreased? Already before problem we will discuss it. how much percentage increased or decreased is equal to how much is increased or decreased by initial quantity into 100. Once again I will wrote there that formula. Percentage of decreased how much decreased by initial quantity, that means first quantity into 100. So here what is the cost price of a scooter initially 30,000 and how much is decreased 6,000 decreased. So 30,000 minus 24,000, what is the difference of value? 6,000. That is 6,000 is decreased money. By initial quantity means initial value how much, what is the cost price of initial value to scooter? 30,000 into 100. So calculation is very important to every problem. So 3 zeros will cancel and 6 1 ja 6 5 ja 5 1 ja 5 20 ja. That means how much percentage the cost of the scooter is decreased? 20%. This is our answer, required answer. So this is our 10th problem. A class contains 60% are boys, number of girls are 80, find the total number of students. This is also one of the different problem, and before we will discuss some problems related to boys and girls. These problems reverse is asking to that problems. So here see, a class contained 60% of boys. So actually a class contains boys and girls, means total boys, the number of boys and girls is equal to how much percentage? 100%. So the total boys and girls is equal to 100%. Already here one information is given, how much percentage is boys is there? 60%. In this 100%, 60% boys is there, means remaining 40% is equal to girls only. But one more information is given in our question, that is number of girls is 80. Already we know number of percentage is how much girls percentage is 40%, and the number of girls is equal to 80. So already 40% value we know, that is equal to 80. So we wanted to find a total number of students. Already we know number of girls we know and percentage of girls we know. So by using this one we can find total number of students. %, how much? 80, that is number of girls, it is equal to 40%. We wanted to find 100%. Calculations here, 0 0 will cancel, 4 1 ja 4, 25 ja, and 25 8 ja 200 members. So this is the total number of students. This is our required answer. Suppose for asking what is the find the total number of boys. Okay, here question is okay, find the total number of students means 200 members. Okay, in this question just I will change the quotation. What is that? So total number of boys is 200. Same question I am asking reversely. So find the total number of students. Now I am asking find the total number of boys. See, question is some little bit I will change it. Before question total number of students means boys and girls. Here total number of boys. What is this value? 40% is equal to 80 members. This is girls. We want to, what is the value? 60%. This is boys. We want to find now number of boys. Zero zero will cancel. 4 1 ja, 4 15 ja, 15 8 ja, 120. See here, already we know number of students is 200. Number of girls are given in our question only 80. Number of boys, so boys plus girls, 120 plus 80 equal to 200. So our answer is correct only. See, this is also very important question. In exam, pass marks percentage is 35%. A student got a 32% of marks and failed by 6 marks less than. So find the total marks in that examination. So simply remember, total words is nothing but 100%. So we wanted to find total marks, that is equal to 100%. Already here pass percentage is given. How much? Pass percentage is equal to 32%. But bad luckily one student got 32% and he failed by 6 marks lesson. For example, I am the student, I got 32% and I failed in one exam. Suppose I will got 6 marks more there, I also passed border marks. Border marks means pass percentage I very well. So simply remember, so here that student is equal to me. I am the student, I got 32% and I failed 6 marks lesson. Suppose I got that 6 marks also, I will be also passed. Means I also got 35%. Concept is very important in our chapter. So I got 32% and failed by 6 marks. Okay, when I got 6 marks, I also passed and that passed is equal to 35%. Means this 32 goes to that side. What will become? Plus become minus. This is 6 marks is equal to how much percentage? 3%. We wanted to find how much percentage? 100%. That means we wanted to find total marks. Already we know what is the value. 3% is equal to 6 marks. So we wanted to find 100%. That means total marks. So 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So 2 into 100. 200 marks. So this is our answer. So total marks in that examination is 200 marks. So one more question. This is a question belongs to elections or voting system. So election between two persons are there. So one person got 45% of votes and is defeated by 750 votes. Find the total number of votes polled. Already I said total means it is equal to 100%. Here what we want to total number of votes want. So already I said many times total it is equal to 100%. So here in the election two candidates voted. One candidate got how much percentage? 45 percentage. And another candidate got how much in 100 percentage. Defeated candidate or loser candidate got 45 percentage. Winner got how much percentage? 55 percentage. So here see, election between two persons. One person is loser and another person are winner. Winner got how much percentage? Who got more percentage, that person is a winner. Who got less percentage, that person is a loser. In this, who is the loser? This person is the loser and this person is the winner. So loser defeated by how many votes? 750 votes. And how many votes different there? 750. So the 10 percentage is equal to 10 percentage. The 10 percentage is equal to 750 votes. We want to do 100 percentage. That means total number of votes polled. See, simply we follow magical trick here. 10 percentage into 10 means 100 percentage. Similarly, right side also do 10. See, 10 percentage value we know that is equal to 750 votes. We want to do 100% now. So by just multiple by 10 is both side. So 10 into 10, 100 percentage. 750 into 10, 7500. This is our required answer and this is our number of votes polled. So our 13th question. In a town, total members is 5000. Election between two persons is contested. So 20% of votes are invalid. One candidate got 54% of votes and number of voters who got defeated candidate. So this is a very important question. Why? Because in this two statements are there. The two statements are very important and many times this type of questions came in a number of bank related exams. So come to the main this is the first of all note it. This is important. So here in a town, total number of members is 5000. Okay, for example, take any one town. So this is the one town or one village. In this total how many members there in that village? These are people. Just think like that. So total members is 5000. So in this village all are did votes. So in that votes 20% of votes is invalid. Why? Because due to some wrong printing or wrong. Okay, that is no need to us. Okay, some in that 5000 members voted. In that 5000 votes 20% are invalid. Means total members is already I said many times 5000 is equal to how much percentage? 100 percentage. In that how many votes are invalid? 20%. So just find 20% or 80%. Why? Because 20% of votes invalid means how many percentage of votes valid? 80%. So better to follow magical trick. So 0 will cancel. 10%. 10% is nothing but how much? It is equal to 500. Okay, we want to do valid votes. Valid votes how much percentage? See here, 20% is invalid means 80% are valid. Just multiple by 8. 8 5 ja 40 and 2 zeros is there. So 10 into 8, 80%. Simply yes, here 80% is equal to 4000. It is what is valid words. So valid words 80%, that is equal to 4000. So in this 80% winner got how much percentage? 54 percentage, right? So this is the every student doing mistake. So 4000 is equal to 80 percentage, is it okay? But when I am distributing to these words, means 4000 words, when we are distributing to these 4000 words to winner and loser, that time take 100 percentage. Again I am saying why, because this is a mistake many students are doing, so they are lost marks. That's why I am saying this question is very important to us. So when we are distributing the valid words to winner and loser, that time take the 4000 words belongs to 100%. When we are distributing winner and loser, that time take 4000 how much percentage? 100%. So this is the main important point. So now in this 4000 words, winner got how much percentage? 54%. So 100% 4000. Winner got 54%. Loser? For 46%. So we wanted to find that 46%. That means defeated person how many votes polled. Calculation is important. 2 zeros and 2 zeros will cancel. 40 and 4 0 is there. So 4 6 are 24. 4 4 are 16. 1 8 is there, and keep 1 0. So defeated person got 1840 votes. This is the our required answer, and this is a model is a very important model in every bank clerk or bank PO examination, in other competitive also. And go to next question. In examination pass marks is 40%. A student got 230 marks and 80 marks are more got. So find the total number of marks. See, this type of questions all are important banking sector or PO. So marks related questions is very important. So in an examination pass marks is how much percentage? Total marks is always 100%. Pass percentage is 40%. Already a student got 230 marks and a student got 230 marks and he got 60 marks more than pass marks. 80 marks more than pass marks. So a student got 80 marks more than pass marks. Okay. So what is the pass marks right now? For example, I am the student, 10 marks is the pass marks, but I got 5 more marks, means how many marks I got? 15. Yes, is it clear? Similarly, a student got 230 marks and he got 80 more marks than pass marks. So what is the pass marks? So 150 is our pass marks. Already we know pass percentage 40%. This is equal to 40%. So simply we can find the total marks, that means 100%. So calculations here, 0 and 0 will cancel. 4 1 ja 425 ja. So 25 into 15. So 25 10 ja 250 and 25 5 ja 125. That is 375. This is the total number of marks and our required answer. So this is also very important to us. And this is one of the magical trick. So if A's income is X percentage is more than that of B's income, so A's is how much less? X by 100 plus X into 100 percentage. So if A's income is X percentage more than that of B's, then B's income is X by 100 plus X into 100 percentage less than that of A's. This is one of the magical trick to find in time to answer. Here see, here two persons is there. If Ravi salary is 10 percentage or more than Raju, then how much percentage less than Raju? So if Ravi salary is 10 percentage more than Raju, yes, some little bit. Okay, if Ravi salary is 10 percentage more than Raju, then how much percentage less than Raju? See here, in question less than is there. Percentage of less is equal to X by 100 plus X into 100. This is one of the magical formula to us. So we want to do here question less is there. Less means X by 100 plus X into 100. So what is the X value? In that question only we have one value, that is only X value. What is the one value? 10 percentage only. So 100 plus X, X means 10, that is 110 into 100. So 0 0 will cancel, 10 into 10, 100 by 11. So 11 9 ja 99 and remainder 1 is there, that is here, and 9 1 by 11 percentage is less. So percentage is, it is nothing but per every 100, and it is a fraction. Have denominator is 100, numerator is called rate of percentage. In percentage every competitive, particularly banking and clerk, 2 or 5 questions will come. So the sum of the questions is very important, like Ravi salary is more than Raju, how much percentage is less than, and similarly one type of question is very important, that is okay, particularly one person is there and first his salary is increased 10 percentage, after decreased 10 percentage. So first increased 10 percentage and again decreased 10 percentage. What is the change of his salary? This type of questions is very important in banking sector. So and one more questions, that questions is belongs to both percentage and mensurations. What type of questions? Okay, one square is there, so the side of the square is increased 20 percentage. What is the change of its area? So this is a question is belongs to both the chapters. One is the percentage, one is the mensuration. In mensuration which topic? 2 dimensional. Otherwise one more question. See, one rectangle is there. So the length of the rectangle is increased 30 percentage and breadth is decreased 20 percentage. So what is the change of its area? So this is the very important questions, and in next class we will see these answers.